Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Rob, and you remember Rob, we actually documented his surgery day on our website, and a lot of people have been asking about his progress, so I'm here now with him. How long has it been now, Rob?
Over a year.
Over a yeyear, all right. And obviously, as you can see from his before and after pictures, he looks like a different person, man, in terms of his hairline. I'm super happy with, what the result he's had. And again, going basically from 0 to about 30 to 40%. And we've been talking, there are some areas that are a little spacey and gappy, as expected. If he ever wanted to tighten it up more, he could with another procedure. But I just wanted to get from your mouth, Rob, what do you think of your hair so far, and how's your life been with hair?
It's been incredible. Definitely a big change from, like you said, ground zero to
that.
What you see now. So I mean, no complaints. Okay. Like you said, there are certain spots that could be better, but you can't really tell unless you really are glued to my hair.
Yep.
But other than that, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Go ahead. No, and that's a good example just for people looking to get a transplant. Sometimes it does take 2 passes, especially if you're really particular. You want that super tight hairline like you had back in high school. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it does take that a second pass to get there. Mm-hmm. Has anybody said anything? I mean, were you worried about what people would say when you got your hair back? Like, wow, big change? Or
nobody really noticed because I wore hats all the time.
Okay.
But my immediate family, they was like, what in the world? They just couldn't believe, that my hair came back the way it did. And,
fantastic.
Man. A lot of people are skeptical, but I'm proof. Nothing wrong with it. It's natural. It's not like you guys are using some other techniques. It's my hair.
It's not Photoshop. And again, do you have any products in your hair right now? Are you using anything?
No, it's just oils.
Yep.
For just to keep it moist.
Yep.
But other than that, nothing. This is just my natural.
Good.
As you can see.
Yeah. Any issues with your scar in the back? Any issues hiding it or anything?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
All right. Fantastic.
Nope, not at all.
Rob, thanks for showing everyone up your updates, and looking forward to seeing how your life with hair is now. So.
Absolutely.
Thanks again.
Love it. Thanks, Doc.
Take care. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.